Welcome to Quiz Rad. Get ready for a colorful challenge. We've got 60 tricky colors for you to guess. Can you figure them all out? Let's see how colorful your knowledge really is. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes. What color is this? Take a guess. Correct. Aquamarine blue is inspired by the calm sea. Can you name this vibrant purple shade? Yes, grape knee-high, a nostalgic and bold color. Guess this warm reddish-brown color. Right! Burnt sienna is often used in art for its depth. Which color gives a neon pop? Yes! Electric lime is a vibrant, glowing hue. What color is this iconic blue? That's right. Tiffany blue represents luxury and elegance. Can you identify this soft purple shade? Correct. Lavender mist is gentle and calming. Which color is this striking pink? Right! Fandango pink is bold and vibrant. Can you name this soft, ocean-inspired green? Yes! Seafoam green is perfect for beach vibes. What color resembles the inside of a ripe melon? Correct. Cantaloupe is fresh and vibrant. Guess this bright tropical green. Yes, macaw green is inspired by the bird's feathers. What color matches the beauty of coral reefs? Right! Coral reef is vibrant and tropical. Can you guess this deep regal color? Yes! Persian indigo exudes luxury and depth. What's this bright yellow shade? Correct. Buttercup yellow is warm and sunny. What color is this rich autumn hue? Yes, burnt orange is perfect for fall. Can you identify this soft lavender shade? Correct. Wisteria is delicate and dreamy. Which deep green shade is this? Yes, midnight green is dark and mysterious. What's this soft and delicate pink? Correct. Blush pink is subtle and lovely. Can you name this bold red color? Yes, poppy red is vibrant and striking. What color is this refreshing green? Correct. Mint green is cool and soothing. Guess this warm yellow shade. Yes, goldenrod is rich and golden. What's this vibrant green? Correct. Emerald green is deep and lush. Can you name this dark, sophisticated color? Yes, charcoal gray is deep and timeless. What color matches the clear sky? Right. Sky blue is light and peaceful. Can you guess this soft, elegant color? Correct. Champagne is soft and luxurious. What's this cool and calming blue? Correct. Champagne is soft and luxurious. Guess this light buttery yellow? Yes, cerulean is fresh and tranquil. What is this lavender blue color? Yes, periwinkle is a calming mix of purple and blue. Can you name this deep berry pink? Correct. Raspberry pink is bold and rich. Guess this rich purple shade. Yes, plum purple is deep and elegant. What color is this dark blue purple? Correct. Indigo is dark and mysterious. Which metallic color is this? Yes, rose gold is elegant and modern. Can you identify this soft blue? Correct. Slate blue is muted and cool. Guess this warm brown-red color. Yes, cinnamon is warm and comforting. What color is this soft peachy pink? Correct. Salmon is warm and subtle. Can you name this earthy green? Yes, seaweed green is natural and calming. What's this bold candy-like red? Correct. Candy apple red is sweet and striking. Which vibrant pink color is this? Yes, fuchsia is bright and energetic. Guess this soft neutral gray. Correct. Sky gray is subtle and modern. What's this light icy blue? Yes, Arctic blue is cool and refreshing. Can you name this deep brown shade? Correct. Walnut brown is earthy and rich. Guess this glowing electric color. Yes, electric purple is vibrant and bold. Can you identify this soft pastel blue? Correct. Robin's egg blue is soft and refreshing. What color is this sunny yellow? Yes, sunflower yellow is bright and cheerful. Guess this deep berry color. Correct. Mulberry is rich and elegant. What's this lively pink? Yes, flamingo pink is bright and fun. Can you guess this bold purple? Correct. Grape jelly is deep and rich. What color is this soft stone-like gray? Yes, moonstone is subtle and peaceful. Can you identify this cool gray? Correct. Frostbite is cold and frosty. Guess this bright and tropical color? Yes, turquoise is vibrant and lively. What's this rich purple shade? Correct. Grape purple is deep and intense. Can you name this juicy orange shade? Yes, tangerine is bright and full of energy. Guess this juicy pink? Correct. Watermelon pink is sweet and refreshing. What's this pastel green color? Yes, mint tea is fresh and cooling. Can you guess this warm golden shade? Correct. Amber is warm and rich. What's this dark reddish-brown color? Yes, rosewood is deep and earthy. What color reflects the breeze by the ocean? Correct. Ocean breeze is cool and relaxing. Can you name this dark, rich purple? Yes, pansy purple is vibrant and bold. Guess this soft pastel yellow. Correct. Lemonade is fresh and sweet. What's this rich brown color? Yes, mocha is warm and comforting. Guess this burnt orange color. Correct. Sunburnt orange is fiery and intense. How many colors did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments. If you had fun, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad for more exciting quizzes. Thanks for playing and see you in the next challenge.